Fine. So very good morning. The questions, the assignment which had been sent to you people yesterday, that will be discussed. So those who know the answer, they will raise the hand and then you'll be asked. Fine. The first question which was there in the assignment is, what is the true shape of the earth? What is the true shape of the earth? Fine. I can see many of the students raising the hand. Okay, Akshara.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good.
The true shape of the earth is it is slightly slanted at north and the south poles and bulk in the middle.
Okay, yes.
Ma'am, it's also spherical in shape.
Okay, it is also spherical in shape. Fine. It's not a perfect sphere, rather. It is not a perfect sphere. Okay, it is not a perfect sphere, right? The shape of the earth, it is flattened at the north pole and the south pole. And third one, it is bulge is there in the middle, right? So ये हमारी थोड़ी सी true shape है earth की, right? Our next question is, what are the three heat zones? What are the three heat zones? Okay, Gaurika, unmute yourself. Yes, Gaurika, give me the answer. Fine, Dakshita.
And the three heat zones of the earth are the torrid zone, the temperate zone, and the frigid zone.
Right. The torrid zone, temperate zone, and the frigid zone. So you are not going to write only the names of these zones. You are also supposed to write few lines, few features of these zones also. Like if it is torrid zone, so you will be writing the location. That torrid zone, it is lying in between the Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere to Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. This zone receive the direct sun rays, right? And it is also, it is the hottest zone. It is the hottest zone. Then comes your temperate zone, right? Okay, Astik, please tell me the features of temperate zone.
Ma'am, temperate zone is in north and south. In north, temperate zone is in between Arctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer, and in south it is between Antarctic Circle and Tropic of Capricorn.
Shabash.
It has moderate temperature.
Yes, very good. The temperate zone. So the temperate zone, it lies between the Arctic Circle to Tropic of Cancer in northern hemisphere, and from Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. It receives the slanting rays of the sun, and the temperature is moderate in the temperate zone. Now, third one is the frigid zone. Fine, Manvi, you will tell me what is the location, where it is located.
Ma'am, this zone lies between the Arctic Circle and North Pole in the northern hemisphere and the Antarctic Circle and the southern hemisphere.
Yes, very good. It lies between the Arctic Circle and North Pole in the northern hemisphere, and the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere. It receives extremely slanting rays of the sun, and it is here the temperature is extremely low. The temperature is extremely low in this area, right? Your next question was, what are the parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes? अब इसमें आपने क्या करना था? You are supposed to write the features. The features of the latitudes and the longitudes. Okay, Sukhpreet, tell me the features of longitudes first.
Good morning, ma'am. All the imaginary lines, same circles which join North Pole to South Pole are termed as meridians of longitudes.
Shabash.
Pillars of latitudes. All the imaginary line pillars circle from equator to the poles are called pillars of latitude.
Fine, very good. So we will first talk about the longitudes, right? These lines, imaginary lines, runs from North Pole to South Pole. There are 360 degrees of longitude. These are the semicircles, right? They have the equal length. The prime meridian 0 degree divides the earth in two equal halves, eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere, and this measures the time. And as far as latitude is concerned, these are the circles from equator to the poles. There are 180 parallels of latitudes. These are the complete circles, but these are not of equal length, but the distance between the latitudes are equal. The equator divides the earth in two equal parts, and it helps us to know the climate. It determines the climate, whereas longitudes determine the time. Right? अब हमारा question था, why is it 5:30 p.m. in afternoon when it is 12 noon at London? ये तो हमने कल बहुत अच्छे से किया था times का. Okay, fine, Akshara.
Ma'am, in India, it is 5:30 p.m. and in London, 12 noon because India is located at east of Greenwich at 82 degree 30 east is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. So that there is 5:30 p.m. in India and 12 noon in London.
Very good. Because London, it is located at 0 degree longitude. India, it is located at 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude. So the time difference is 5 hours 30 minutes. So when it is 12 noon at London, it is 5:30 p.m. in India. Right? Fine. So now we will be moving with the back exercise. Right? Now your question is, what is a globe? Who will tell me what is a globe?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Ma'am, it is the copy of the Earth's model.
It's a model of the Earth. Fine. The globe, it is a model of the Earth because ये back exercise है, one word वाली ही है आपकी, right? It's a true model या miniature form of the Earth. Next question आपसे पूछती हूँ मैं. Why does the torrid zone receive maximum amount of heat? जो torrid zone है वहां सबसे ज्यादा heat क्यों होती है? Manvi. Yes, Manvi.
Ma'am, the torrid zone receives a maximum amount of heat because it receives sun rays. It receives direct sun rays.
Because it receives the direct sun rays. यहाँ पर जो sun rays हैं वो direct होती हैं, slanting नहीं होती हैं. So because the sun rays are direct, so the torrid zone receive the maximum heat, right? Now, आपके tick the correct है. Let's move with that. The value of the prime meridian is, what is the value of prime meridian? Is it 90 degree? Is it 0 degree? Or is it 60 degree? Okay. Bani.
Ma'am, 0 degree.
Yes. And next is the frigid zone lies near Is it the Tropic of Cancer? Is it the equator? Is it the pole? Pranay?
Ma'am, the frigid zone, the poles.
The poles, yes. The total number of longitudes are, अब मैं इसके ऑप्शन नहीं दूंगी. Total number of longitudes. Dakshita?
Ma'am, 360.
Yes, 360. Very good. The Antarctic Circle is located in which hemisphere? Antarctic Circle is located in which hemisphere? Okay. Ritesh.
Ma'am, southern hemisphere.
Southern hemisphere. Okay. अब एक क्वेश्चन है आपके लिए. What is a grid? Grid is a network of Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn, North Pole and South Pole, और latitudes and longitudes. किसका grid है ये? किसका network है grid?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
Okay, you all answer.
latitudes and meridians.
Yes, it is parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes. Very good. अब आपके हैं blanks, right? Tropic of Capricorn is located at Gorika? हाँ जी, कौन सी डिग्री पे लोकेटेड है ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न?
Ma'am, 23.5 degrees south.
Yes, 23.5 degree साउथ. अगेन आई एम सेइंग अगर डायरेक्शन नहीं लिखोगे नॉर्थ या साउथ तो कोई मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे, सारे मार्क्स कट जाएंगे, राइट? द स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन ऑफ इंडिया इज सौम्या. Standard meridian of India is?
Ma'am, 82 degrees at 30 east and 82.5 degree east.
Yes, 82.5 degree east. 0 degree meridian is also known as? 0 degree meridian is also known as?
Ma'am, prime meridian. Ma'am, prime meridian.
Prime meridian.
Ma'am, prime.
Yes, prime meridian. अरे you have to raise your hand. ऐसे नहीं बीच में बोलना है. The distance between the longitudes decrease towards?
Ma'am, pole.
Yes. The distance between the longitudes decrease between towards poles. Poles के पास जो longitudes है उसके बीच का distance बिल्कुल कम होता है और equator के पास जो longitudes के बीच में difference है वो ज्यादा होता है. That is more, right? The Arctic Circle is located in which hemisphere?
North hemisphere.
Yes, the Arctic Circle is located in the northern hemisphere. Very good. So here we come to the end of the chapter. In next class, that is be there on Monday, we will start the chapter of civics, right? Understanding diversity already हम लोग कर चुके हैं class 6 में. अब हम लोग next chapter जो है वो हम करेंगे, that is the second chapter of your civics, right?